Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Hostinger's Cache Manager for faster loading. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead to the official website. Alright, now basically if you want to use the cache manager for faster loading, make sure the Hostinger server aside caching is turned on. Log into your Hostinger Edge panel and head to the advanced menu. In the cache manager, enable the automatic cache option, right here. And Hostinger uses the LiveSpeed server, so installing the WordPress LiveSpeed cache plugin would be wise. Click the WordPress menu in the left sidebar and click dashboard. Enable the LiveSpeed option, right? And basically, that's it, all right? And you can use that cache for faster loading and just reducing the slow loading on your official domain. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.